In this video, I'm going to be going over the elif condition, which is another way to add conditions to a program. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a program to take a test score out of 100 and assign a letter grade to it. Pretty simple stuff. So first I'm going to have the program tell the user what it's for. So print, this is a program to assign test grades to a score. Okay, and now first things first, I'm going to set a variable to take in the grade. It's going to be integer, and it's going to take an input, and it's going to say it's going to say enter a grade out of 100, and then it's going to start the condition. So if the grade, and this is the if else format that we saw before, if the grade is greater or equal to 90, then print that they've gotten an A. Ooh. Great. I don't know why it's fighting me there. And this is where elif comes into play. Elif, and then we put the condition here. Elif, the grade is greater or equal to than 80. Print B. And I'm going to just copy and paste this whole section here across for B. That one goes for C, D, and F. So A, B, C, D, F. And finally, we want to end our final condition of else. And we'll just say that if the, let's say they put in a negative number, we'll say else print, and we'll say there's an error. Grades cannot be negative numbers. Okay, and open that one back up. And so we have to change the scores here, 90, 80, this one goes 70, and this one goes 60, and we'll make this one, instead of anything under, or let's say 50 above, we'll do anything 0 or above up to 60, and we'll run it this way. So now let's test. This program is to assign test grades to a score. Enter a grade out of 100, so I'm going to start with 100. It will give me an A, fantastic. And I'm going to test out F, put a 50, put an F. I'm going to test out a number in the middle, put 75, gives me C. And the last but not least, I'm going to try -5, and then it says error, grades cannot be negative numbers. So that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Code on.